Hello students, hello everyone. So I'm back with another video, Motivational Booster with Dr. Neha. It's a Sunday, so as promised we have another motivational booster today. Now all those who don't know me, I'm Dr. Neha. I am a public health specialist by profession and an educator, mentor and guide by passion. Okay, so today my topic for motivational video, motivational booster is certain 5 top tips for all the beginners who are starting to prepare for entrances, or also these tips are equally could be applied to all those who are in the midway of your preparation, like 5 months to go for NEET PG. All right, so what exactly are the 5 tips that you should follow right now? So this video is if you're a beginner who's either preparing or you've done half of the preparation, please listen to this entire video. It's really going to help you out. Okay, so how are you going to start your preparation, or how are you going to carry forward your preparation? The very first tip is that always plan your day with a to-do list. This is very important. Now when I was a student, I used to get up in the morning, rather not in the morning, it should be done a night before. Okay, one night before, always plan. Don't think about 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 7 days in a row. No, plan each day. That is important. Okay, so one night before, make a to-do list, and that list should not just contain what topics you're going to study, what subjects you're going to study, everything. How much time you're going to give to, say, exercising or some running, jogging, whatever, how much time you're going to spend for some recreation, and then a particular portion in that to-do list. Everything should be in a bullet. Okay, one particular portion would be that how much time you're going to dedicate for which subject, and whether the time will be for reading a chapter, practicing a MCQ. Now, okay, you made it, but if that to-do list is not visible to you, you will often not be able to finish it. So where should that to-do list actually be there? So once you've made it, okay, you can either put it as a screen cover on your mobile phones, you can put it on the back of your mobile phones, something, we all carry our mobile phones every day, something where you can have a look at it. Oh, now my time is to do this, so you have to shift to it. Please remember, don't overskip your time. अगर आपने 2 hours MCQ practice रखा है, stick to 2 hours, and whatever starts after that, go to that. Don't say कि चलो 1 घंटा और MCQ कर लेता है. No, that will spoil your entire to-do list. So sticking to to-do list is very important. You can also put your to-do list in front of your study tables. Okay, keep it in your vision. Alright, so this is the first step. Plan your day. Do it for some time. You will definitely see a difference. Okay. Yes, what could you do next? Okay students, so the second tip is smart work rather than hard work. Dekho, hard work every other person is doing, okay, but how well you are doing that work, how smartly is what counts. Okay, so in today's technophilic time, okay, if you're just sticking to reading books, that will not help. Everything is available online, everything is available in the form of videos, lectures. So every time you cannot read a book, you should listen to those lectures. And in this I would just like to tell about Unacademy also. You can take subscriptions of Unacademy, like I am taking PSM there. You can listen to my lectures, you can subscribe to it, and listen to these online videos. They help you keep you updated with all the recent findings, recent updates that are happening in subjects, because वो teachers ही update करते रहते हैं in those lectures. All right, so go for smart study rather than too much of hard work. Like logically सोचो how much more of practicing MCQs should be there rather than just going on reading. Before a chapter, look at the MCQs, read that chapter, practice the MCQs again. Okay, and listen to all the online videos. Whichever teacher you like, you can go for it. Third tip, and a very important tip, is consistency. Okay, please be consistent in your work. If today आपने सोचा है every day you have to do 2 hours of MCQ, 4 hours of reading, make it a habit, make it an addiction. आपको रात को नींद नहीं आना चाहिए. I had a friend who actually would not be able to sleep at night because he had not finished his 2 hours of MCQs or whatever he had written on his to-do list. He used to wake up at night. This should be happening to you, and trust me, now he has scored the top rank. He scored the top rank in MDS entrances, in AIMS, PGI also. So ऐसा बनना है, ठीक है? Consistency. ये नहीं कि today you read for 10 hours, tomorrow you are just reading for 2 hours. Start with fewer hours, gradually increase your number of hours and make it a habit, make it an addiction, so that you're unable to sleep if that is not done. Okay, then what is the fourth tip? Fourth tip is actually a health tip. Okay, it's actually a lifestyle related tip. Your lifestyle during your preparation for entrances has to be very smooth, very crisp. It should include everything. Sometime for jogging, those who like gymming, sometime for gymming, those who like skipping, those who like exercising, any form of it. Eat good food. Okay, trust God, or not, just have some time for meditation. ठीक है, रिलैक्स करो, स्मूथनेस लाओ अपने अंदर, बी काम, बी पेशेंट. ओके, कीप योर सेल्फ हाइड्रेटेड, कीप ड्रिंकिंग वाटर एंड ईट हेल्दी फूड. ओके, एंड द लास्ट टिप विच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टिप इज दैट don't overburden yourself. Students, please don't overburden. Here I would like to tell you something, a very important saying by Sadhguru, that you know, if you're able to wake up in the morning, okay, give a smile to yourself, smile, thank God that you were able to see yet another day, you were able to wake up yet in the morning, which millions of people are not able to do so. Okay, so this tells us that there is time, there is way ahead and you can still do it. So kabhi bhi apne aap ko overburden nahi karna hai. This is not the end of your life. Don't think about your result. All that is required is smart work. All that is required is consistency, patience and trusting yourself and your instinct. Okay, and last but not the least, one tip which I would like to tell you is, if you see that you're doing very well, or if you see that you're not doing that well, please either reward yourself or punish yourself. You all are grown-ups now. Your parents cannot do that for you. They cannot, the hand holding हो गई. They cannot tell you कि पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो. ठीक है, अगर आप अच्छा कर रहे हो, if you see that you're sticking to your routine, everything is going fine, reward yourself. How can you reward? For girls out here, if you like going to the salons, or if you like going to, you know, if you like just going to your friend, gossiping, do that. Whatever you want, you should do it to reward yourself. Go shopping, buy something for yourself. For boys, if you want to play your PS4, PS5, do that. If you want to play a match, do that. But at the same time, if you see that you've not been able to keep up to your expectations, it's nobody else's expectations, it's just you and your expectations. Okay, if you've not been able to do that, evaluate yourself. This is very important. Okay, at the end of a week, evaluate yourself. Make a to-do list every day, but evaluation, as I teach you in PSM, it's done at the end. Monitoring yourself every day, evaluation at the end. तो evaluate करो खुद को कि कहाँ पे तुम lack किए, and for that, if you were not able to do it, punish yourself with 2 more extra hours of dedicated smart work. All right, some form, whatever you can feel. All right, so these were some tips that you can follow for beginners, also of all those who are preparing for NEET PG 2021 in the midway. This will keep you on track, on focus. And one last thing again, don't think this is the end of the world. Stay calm, focused, and you can do it. Yes, so in this motivational booster that we're having every Sunday, I would be very happy if you could comment, drop a comment, whatever next you want to listen, you want to talk about, you want to converse about. Okay, do put in the comment section. You can DM me on my Instagram also. This video will also be there on IGTV, so you can go have a look there. And whatever you want to discuss, ask me something, please put in the comment section. Like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.